All right, we're on 7Q, Simple String Characters. This is by Ken Kamau, and 93% of the people like it. So in this kata, we'll be given a string, and our task will be to return a list of ints detailing the count of uppercase letters, lowercase, numbers, and special characters as follows. So like this, we're going to have the uppercase letters. There's 4 of them in that one, 5 lowercase, 5 numerals, and 3 special characters. More examples in test cases right down here. And let's get to it. So for this one, we're just going to use the match method. I mean, we could go through a for loop, but then we'd have to like list out the alphabet and list out everything that we need to search. And we're all on time constraints when it comes to attention span here. So the match method retrieves the result of matching a string against regular expressions, all right? Against a regular expression. So basically we're going to say something.match and then have the regex in there. So we're going to do that like this. We're going to say let, what are we starting with? Uppercase, upper equal s.match, and then we're going to have some regex in here. So for the regex, we're going to use this character class thing. The character class, it matches any one of the enclosed characters. So we just put some brackets in, and we're going to put like A to Z lowercase, or excuse me, uppercase in there. So let's do that. So we're going to say A to Z, all right? And then we're also going to put a global search flag. Let's come all the way down here. And basically, we put this G after the second slash, and it will search more than one time. All right, so we're going to put the G right here. And that looks pretty good. And this will just put like a number in there. It'll just match how many times it does it. And actually, no, it'll... let me show you what it'll do. Console.log upper. How about that? No. Because there's nothing in the first one. Come on now. Let's get the next one up there. Test it out. Look, ABC. So it's like that. So what we want to do is this, but if there's nothing in there like that null had, we're going to say or an empty array. And let's just wrap this thing up like this in parentheses, and we're going to say dot length. Now let's do the console.log. And look, now it's got 3, which is one of the numbers we're going to be looking for. So we're going to do this, I'll put a comma right here. We're going to do this a few more times. Let's do a copy, paste, and then let's do another. Should we do that? Let's do this. And paste. And one more paste, and I don't think we need, yeah, one more paste, why not? So we're going to say upper, lower, number, special. All right, s.match is good. Let's change this to lowercase a to z, a to z. Let's change this to 0 to 1, 0 to 9, I'm going to say 0 to 9 right there. And let's change this up to just s.length. And let's say minus upper, minus lower, minus special. All right. Let's see. That looks good. We'll know in just a second because we're going to return. And we're just going to put an array here. And we're going to say first give us upper, then lower, then number, then special. Let's see if this works. Okay. Oh, yeah. Because it needs to be minus number. Test it one more time. All right, cool. And attempt it. And there we go. And submit it. All right, and so you can see here pretty much what we did. They did the dot lengths in here. This one has an object.values, which I can't say I remember how to do that at all. But you know, that's why we've got the MDMs right here. We can check that out all we feel like it. And then here's this, and if statements and whatnot. You can check them all out if you feel like it. Let's go to mine. Just me on this one. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like it. And we'll see you next time.